Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for our very uh, diligent, very enthusiastic CAA aspirants from LAM. So we would like to welcome for our today, we're going to focus on Zanfu patterns. As usual, we will have the assessment type of studying. So let's call on Sir Mark of Bulacan, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Good afternoon, Sir Mark.
Good afternoon po, Doc.
Okay. Uh, I have a tip for you, ha. I know that it's sometimes the questions are too long. If you really want to get the answer fast, I would like you to read first the tongue and pulse diagnosis. No? Okay, so that we will not waste so much time. Um, I want everybody to read kaagad the tongue and the pulse. Just like this one, di ba, Sir Mark? The tongue is pale, so that gives us an idea already. What is
Kapag
it?
pag pale po pinag-uusapan po with white coating, chi deficiency. Pero ang sagot ko po dito sa number one po, lung chi deficiency.
Why?
Dahil po meron siyang shortness of breath po. Kumbaga po ang shortness ng lung chi deficiency is talk about naglo-low voice po siya pag
Mm.
nagsasalita. Tapos, hindi po nag hindi po yung chi niya hindi po naipapasa po na maayos sa ibang internal organs po.
Wow. What about the cough? If this were an excess condition, how would you describe the cough siguro? Would it still be feeble or yung medyo mahina or will it be malakas?
Pag people pinag-uusapan, tignan ko ano Dok, parang medyo mahina.
Yes. Qi deficiency, di ba?
Chi
Okay.
deficient.
Obviously, we already know that this is a deficient condition. Look at the pulse. The pulse is weak, di ba?
Yes
Oh.
po.
And also, there is spontaneous sweating, di ba? Oo. Susceptibility to cold, so madali siyang magkasakit, madali siyang sipunin. This inclination to speak. There are patients, di ba, Sir Mark, they don't want to talk too much. Di ba?
Yes po.
Wow.
Makatila lang yan.
Okay. Great. Lung Qi deficiency. Next. Okay. What's your answer here? And please explain why did you answer? Why did you give that answer?
Okay po. Dito po kasi may cough without sputum or with little sticky sputum. Pag pinag-uusapan po yung mga sputum, something like na yung yin deficiency mula sa lungs niya, lungs yin deficiency. Tapos yung pulse niya po is steady and rapid pulse. Ibig talk about yin deficiency with deficiency heat.
Okay. Wow. So what is your diagnosis?
Lungs yin deficiency.
Okay. What is the classic sign of yin deficiency? Sign,
Um,
ha? Sign.
Assign po ba? Kapag after nun po, merong nilalagnat po siya.
No, that's symptom. When you say
As in,
sign, this is what you see on the patient. So obviously,
dryness
titingnan
of
natin,
the mouth.
yes, titingnan natin yung dila, di ba?
Apo.
At saka ano, classic symptom, afternoon fever, no? Tapos burning sensation, chest pump. And of course, the very classic malar flush. Hmm? Um, did you have teachers na patient?
Teacher po, meron po, Doc. Dati po, last 4 months ago,
Okay, what?
um, na um, parang yung dibdib daw mabigat daw. Tapos yung sa gabi daw po ay parang nagsasweat siya. Tapos minamalat siya.
Okay. And then, yeah, minamalat. Parating walang, yeah, namamalat nga. Thank you. Next, what's your diagnosis here and why?
Sa akin po, draw cough with sputum or without difficult expectoration, dryness of mouth, nose, and throat. Feverish, ibig sabihin feverish, mainit.
Mm-hmm.
Aversion sa cold, chest pain, hemostasis, tongue is red. Kapag pinag-uusapan ang tongue po, kulay pula with white or yellow coat po, sa akin po, Dok, is lungs dryness with heat. Excessive po ako, dahil po ang pulse niya po is rapid, pag mabilis po ang pulse po natin, ibig sabihin, heat pattern.
Okay, galing. Any comment from the audience? Reaction. Okay, let's proceed. No comment. Okay, what about this one? Ano diagnosis mo?
Ang diagnosis ko po dito, cough with propose with sticky sputum, easy expectoration, mabigat ang chest, may asthma, gargling in the throat, tongue is pale, white sticky coat, tapos sagi pa. Ang sa akin po rito, yung kapag mayroong sticky sputum po, tsaka phlegm, DAP accumulations in the lungs.
Okay.
Tapos yung asthma niya po is fullness in chest, meron siyang phlegm, obstructions, cough, stagnation. Tapos pagsagi po yung pulse niya, indicate of dampness.
Wow. Okay. What about this?
Abdominal pain, sakit sa tiyan, diarrhea with blood, mucus. Sa akin po, Dok, is damp heat in the large intestine.
Why?
Dahil meron siyang abdominal pain and diarrhea with blood mucus, merong heat and dampness in the large intestine.
Okay. What else? What about the tongue?
Yellow,
Okay. Red and the yellow coat.
yellow,
So what's your answer, damp heat in?
heat in the large intestine.
Great. Next.
Kapag may dry constipation, may burning sensation sa mouth niya, ang dry tongue niya, tapos nag-swelling pa sa anus, tapos yung urine niya nagda-dark, kasi yung kanyang tongue yellow, dry coat, pus full. Sa akin po, heat in the large intestine. Kasi po mayroong yellow and dry coat, nag-excessive heat po siya sa large intestine po.
Okay, what made okay, sa bagay may constipation, saka swelling, burning swelling of the anus. Great.
Opo.
Wow, galing. Next.
Sudden pain, painful diarrhea, cold sensation of, ano ibig sabihin ng abs, doc? Abnormal?
Abdomen.
Abdomen pala yung
Di ba may
Think
abs
ko,
ka? Malaking abs.
ako, abdomen pala yun.
Yes.
Take
Pinalitan
right
ko
coat,
na.
tapos tape wire. Sa akin po, bilang sumakit yung niya, abdomen niya dahil sa diarrhea, merong lamig na pumasok sa abdomenan niya. Ang tawag ko doon is cold invading large intestine or cold damp intestine.
So the cold is coming from outside, no?
Coming to outside.
Okay. Ano kaya ginawa niya ba? Okay. So,
Kumain po siya ng malamig.
okay. Sudden eh. Sudden, di ba? Mm.
Kaya may
Okay. Number 8.
difficult, dry stools, dry mouth, treat emaciation, tongue dry, pale, no coat, pastin. Sa akin po, blood and yin deficiency leading to dryness. Yung intestinal dryness niya due to the blood and yin deficiency.
Wow, grabe. Number 9.
Discomfort in gastrium or lactate, nawala na yung panglasa niya, tapos
Hmm.
nagtataipod. Sa akin po, sa umaga po siya, ay nagtatai po siya, tapos may hihina po yung mga kamay niya, tapos yung tongue niya, pag pale body pulse na pinag-uusapan po kasi is blood deficiency. Spleen deficiency, kasi no appetite.
Will you have epigastric discomfort pag spleen lang ang involved?
Pag gastric po,
O,
ah
meron bang meron ba, if you have spleen chi deficiency, will it involve the epigastrium?
pwede po.
Sure. Actually, actually, yeah, na, okay. I know why you decided to give the answer as spleen chi. Spleen, yeah. Um, because remember, loose stools and fatigue, particularly in the morning, that's not actually yung cockscrow diarrhea ha. Walang diarrhea dito. Do you agree? Hmm.
Yes po.
So, sino ba partner ni spleen?
Stomach.
Okay. Between stomach and spleen, which will present with discomfort in the epigastrium? What's epigastrium in Tagalog?
Ina-acid ba to, Doc?
Acid ba? Hindi naman yata.
Or sinisikmura?
Oh, sinisikmura. Yeah.
Sa akin siguro dito, yung spleen niya hindi po nag-transform and transport po dito mula sa kinain niya. Kaya po nagkaroon po dito ng stomach, meron din stomach, ba?
Okay.
Magkakapartner yung dalawa yan, deficiency.
Stomach chi deficiency.
Deficiency.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Number 10.
Um, oh. Sagot ko po is spleen and stomach yang deficiency. Pag spleen swollen tongue po, spleen yang deficiency causing water retention. Pag weak deep pus indicates internal cold and chi deficiency.
Um, Yang deficiency.
Apo, yang deficiency.
Yeah, actually, it's yang deficiency of the stomach and spleen. No? Kasi ano discomfort is aggravated following bowel movement. So it's definitely, yeah. And then meron siyang preference for warm drinks and foods. Okay? Cold lean. Oo. Actually, ba, when you, but primarily it's deficient cold of the stomach. So obviously, kasama din yung spleen because they always work together. Next.
So, pag mahina po ang spleen, may nangyayari po sa ating stomach.
Hmm.
Si, ah,
Okay, what about
11.
11?
Sabi dito, wala daw appetite sa afternoon, nilalagnat. Feeling of warm and dry stool. Sagot ko po, stomach yin deficiency.
Okay. Ano yung nakikita sa tongue that will tell you na kino-confirm na stomach deficiency?
Pag stomach yin deficiency, Doc, siyempre merong yung yung body niya is red, tapos parang filled, para pong nababalatan
Yeah,
sa
walang
center.
tubig sa center. Great.
Aha.
12.
12 po is may burning sensation and pain sa epigastrium sa stomach nito. Tapos po nauuhaw, tapos cold fluids. Sa akin po rito, sa sobrang kain siguro to, stomach fire.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Fire na fire because thirst for cold fluids, parating gutom, diba?
Yes po.
Grabe yung
Walang, walang
excess. Hmm.
walang kabusog-busog. Pagkatapos, nagbi-bleeding pa yung gums dahil sa ano nito.
Yes, very good. Number 13.
Sudden pain di pinag-uusapan dito, tapos cold
Mhm.
naman pinag-uusapan. Pag cold pinag-uusapan sa epigastrium po, cold invading the stomach.
Wow. Great. Number 14.
Susuka, belching, vomiting, hiccups, yung tang niya normal. Tapos
Mhm.
pas, iisip ako dito kung nagkakaroon ng rebellious stomach chi pattern. Tama ba?
Yeah. What's your other answer?
Rebellious stomach chi pattern po.
Oh, yun
Nag-rebel
na
din na
yung answer mo.
suka
Hindi
na
ka
ko.
confused. Next. 15.
No appetite, fullness and distension of the gastrium, relieved by vomit. Pag walang pagka ng pagkain, pero pag nagsusukay, nare-relieve yung sakit ng tiyan niya. Sa akin po, Doc, is food stagnation, ang
Wow.
sagot ko.
Yes.
Dahil napapansin ko, Doc, kapag sobrang kain po, tapos hindi nag-work yung stomach po natin sa pagkain, minsan po nagkakaroon po, di
Oo.
nakakatulog at di nakakapag-isip ng tama.
Totoo. Wow, galing mo talaga, Sir Mark. Sana all. Next.
Fatigue, pagod, no appetite, Abdomen distension of after eating. Okay, sagot ko po, spleen chi sinking or spleen or deficiency.
Yeah. Actually, yung bearing down sensation, wala pa naman sa totoo lang, we have, when spleen chi sinking is a subtype of spleen chi deficiency. So I think you can also answer spleen chi sinking here. No?
Yes po.
17.
Low appetite, abdominal distension after eating. Ito naman yung pagkatapos ng pagkain naman. Fatigue, bright complexion,
Mhm.
weakness of activities, sa spleen yang deficiency.
Okay. So what's the difference between spleen chi deficiency and spleen yang deficiency?
Okay. Di ba kapag spleen yang deficiency, doc, eh, meron siyang edema, loose to sa edema niya, nilalamig po ang mga extremities niya.
Spleen yang. Mhm.
Spleen yang deficiency. Yes
So
po.
basically, it's still spleen chi deficiency with the addition of cold symptoms, no? Saka edema.
Apo.
Number 18.
Ito yung maputang muka. Last ito, dislike speaking. O kaya magsalita na. Sa akin po is spleen chi deficiency.
Yeah. To be specific, spleen unable to secure the blood, no?
Yes.
So it's still spleen chi deficiency. Pero to differentiate this from spleen chi sinking, kailangan na in-specify mo, but it's still spleen chi deficiency. 19.
Um, Fullness and distension of epigastric loss of appetite. Yung saliva niya ay malakit na, mabigat ang ulo, taka nagtatae, diarrhea. Sa akin po is cold dampness in the spleen.
Very good. Ang galing, grabe. Number 20.
Fullness, distension of the epigastrium and abdomen, loss of appetite, wala nang gana sa pagkain. Siya vomiting, bitter taste. Pag bitter pinag-uusapan, di ba? Meron nag-accumulate na to ng damp heat in the spleen and stomach niya.
Wow, great. Dump heat. May heat talaga, no, pag bitter taste. Number 21.
Kapag pinag-uusapan po ang pagkahilo, tinnitus o pagkahilo,
Mhm.
makakalimutan, iniisip ko, tsaka nabibing, iniisip ko yung kidney.
Yeah.
Tapos, dry mouth na siya, meron siyang heat, kaya kidney yin deficiency with empty heat.
Okay, great. Yeah. Mali ako dito. Dapat may empty heat. But other books would say kidney deficiency, okay na. But according to Machocha, you have to specify with empty heat. Yes. 22.
Sore and cold, lock back, cold knees and extremities. And aversions to cold, nilalamig na yung mga legs and knees. Bright to white complexions, impotence, premature ejaculation. Pag ejaculation na pinag-uusapan at hindi na nag-active sa impotence na siya, sa akin kidney yung deficiency. Kasi may cold na siya sa lower back niya. Tsaka nilalamig din yung mga paa at extremities niya po.
Wow. Obvious to obvious you have had patients like this, no? Automatic ka agad, di ba? 23.
Soreness of weakness of the lower back, frequent urination, okay? Dribbling after urination, incontinence, urinesis, urination at the night. Ito yung ihi ng ihi ba, Doc? Okay. Kidney deficiency.
Oh, enuresis is bedwetting.
Bedwetting pala yun.
Naihi ka sa kama.
Ah, aneurysm. At kidney deficiency, Doc.
Yeah, to be specific, kidney not grasping the chi, but it's still kidney chi deficiency. Very good. Number 24.
Shortness of breath upon exertions, rapid breathing, difficult of inhaling cause asthma, sweating colds, extremity swelling of the face, immunization of the soreness of the back, mental ease, restlessness, tongue. Ang sakit ko po is, tama kaya to? Kidney failing to grasp chi.
Very
Kidney weak
good. It's
or the
correct.
lungs. Correct
It's
ba?
correct. This is the reason why there are some patients, they are beginning to wonder why they became suddenly asthmatic when they got old, no? Dahil po sa kidney yon. Next. Especially when you have difficulty inhaling. Okay. 25.
Hair loss, pag bone development, Chichelet, close your up, kalimutan ko na to. Nasa kidney deficiency ba, Doc?
Yes. Anong klaseng kidney deficiency?
Um, kidney, nalilito ako. Kidney yang deficiency?
No.
Kidney yun.
Essence.
Essence ba? Ay, oo nga
Essence
pala,
na,
yung
wala nang
gene.
buhok.
Yung gene niya to.
Kidney
Nalito
Yung
ako.
gene.
po, bone development.
Yes. Premature gray hair. Diba? Bata
Oo.
pa siya may
Ano mo?
Next. At saka poor bone development sa mga bata.
Apa.
26.
Sa akin, Doc, kidney gene deficiency or kidney essence deficiency.
How will you account for the 5 center heat sa night sweats? Diba? That's very classic for yin deficiency, diba?
Oo nga pala.
Mm. Okay. Um, Pagkabasa mo sa question, what immediately comes to mind? Like, you can have a combination kasi of Zhang organs. Okay?
Kasi, okay. Pag nag-uusapan pa yung insomnia, disturbed sleep po, let's talk about yung Shen niya po, Doc.
Okay.
Tapos nagkakaroon po siya ng nahihilos, tsaka dry eye siya, blurring vision, sore low back. Nag-iisip ako dito kung kung apektado rin yung liver po nito eh. Tapos yung
Mhm.
tinnitus po nito, niisip ko yung kidney essence po nito.
Okay. Kidney and liver yin deficiency. You're
Yes.
brilliant. Grabe. Kasi, 'di ba, if you have dream disturbed sleep, that's actually a disconnect between the kidney and the heart, no? So that means kulang talaga sa yin. But in here, una-una is wala namang palpitation, so itchapwera si heart. So this is a very common um, combination. In fact, most of the patients who are a little medyo senior na, it's always the kidney and liver yin deficiency. Okay. Next.
27 po. Pag insomnia naman po, poor memory is between relationship, may tinnitus tsaka nabibingin na, sa masakit yung likod, between relationship, kidney, and heart disharmony.
Wow, galing. Wow, grabe. Sus.
Sobrang yung tag niya kasi is red sa midline, doon yung
Yeah.
datata ang heart eh.
Mm, mm. Okay.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, hindi bumababa si heart.
Yes po, nag-iinit lalo.
Mm. Ano, no, no. Yeah. Kulang ano, yin. Init lalo.
Yes po.
Hindi pala umaakyat si, ano, okay, si kidney. Kidney and heart not communicating. Next. Okay. What's your answer here?
Kapag with small amounts of sputum, bloody sputum, yung dura na merong dugo, niisip ko
Mm,
po yung relationship abang lungs and kidney yin deficiency with empty heat.
okay.
Ano po?
Kidney and lung yin deficiency. Yeah, with empty heat.
With empty heat.
29.
29. Pale face, sore or weakness of lumbar region weaknesses, kapag nanghihina ng mga lumbar niya, loose stools, nagmamorn diarrhea at 5 a.m.
Mm,
Um, pagpapi ang pinag-uusapan tsaka with edema eh. Anisip ko yung kidney yang deficiency with spleen and yang deficiency. Dahil po yung papi paste is talk about is for the spleen.
yes. This is also a very common combination. No? Mm. Yan. 30. This is also
Okay.
very common.
But frequented urge urination, ihi ng ihi, burning urination, difficult urination, nahihirapan umihi, dark yellow urine, turbid urine blood in the urine, Okay, nilalagnat na siya at nauuhaw. Pag pinagsasabing fever tsaka thirst, iniisip ko po tsaka um, yung tang niya red body. So, let's talk about is heat.
Mm.
Uh, um, Urine is talk about the bladder. Damp
Mm.
heat in the bladder, excess heat, dampness in the bladder, difficult urination. Damp heat in the bladder, excess heat.
Okay. Sige. Dahil turbid yung urine, diba? And also you have slippery pulse, um, thick, sticky yellow coating, red body. Next.
Frequent urgent urination, di na ihe, difficult urination, feeling heaviness. Sa akin po, pag pinag-uusapan po yan is um, white sticky coating, pulse and slippery slow. Naisip ko po yung damp coat in the bladder.
Yes, correct. Next. Grabe. Sabi mo up to 50. Malapit na.
Nag-isipan po ko pa. Palpitation, shortness of breath upon exertion.
Okay.
Nagpapalpitate at nahirapang huminga. Tapos, patuloy pa rin siya nag-sweating.
Mm.
Iniisip ko dito yung nag-low energy tsaka patig tsaka pale face. Nag-sweating siya. Talk about yung heart niya and lungs chi deficiency or chi deficiency.
Mm.
Tama ba?
Heart chili.
Ipalpitate, heart chi deficiency, Doc.
Yes. Wala kang nakitang ano about the lung here except for the spontaneous sweating. And
Kasi may
usually,
nakita.
di ba pag meron kang heart issue, kasama din yung pati lungs. But I don't think ganun pa kalala yung sa ano. Kasi the same ano sila, di ba? Like, ano to? Nandun sila sa area, like the lung and heart together.
Ano, Doc, meron mo bang mga rashes to? Isip ko yung balat niya, baka may mga rashes eh.
Wala.
Ay, wala. Sige.
Next.
Palpitation is shortest breath upon exertion, spontaneous sweating, heart yang deficiency with blood stagnation. Kasi kaya kami blood stagnation, may dark purple, tapos thin weeks, talk about heart yang deficiency with blood stagnation.
Okay. Next.
Ang sagot ko po, Doc, is heart blood deficiency
Okay. Good. Poor memory.
for memory. Pag may insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, saka for memory anxiety. Pag may anxiety pinag-uusapan, tapos pale lips, Marder plus, fever, night sweat, di ba? Heart yin deficiency.
Yes. Next.
36. Kaya ko to. Oo. Pag nagpa-palpitation,
Mm.
nauuhaw siya. Meron siyang parang mga gudgud parang may ulcer sa gudgud sa bibig.
Sugat-sugat.
Antang niya,
Mm.
sugat-sugat, hindi makakatulog, nag-insomnia. May init siya. Siyempre, Dok, sa sobrang galit niya, yung heart fire blazing.
Wow. Okay. Next.
Loka ako. Mental restlessness, tendency for violent behavior. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Dok, na ano ho. Kapag may violent behavior na tsaka insomnia, di na makatulog, hirapan ng huminga, tapos constipation, yellow urine. Sa akin dito, Dok, phlegm, par disturbing heart.
Yes. Naramdaman mo ba yan?
During on my depression.
Okay.
Ano ka?
So,
Wala kang tulog mga 1 linggo, 2 linggo. Yan.
okay. Next. Kaka-relate ka talaga, no? Grabe. Okay, next.
Palpitations, sabing kanto?
Cardiac.
Laban na mata. Cardiac pain, pag sinabing cardiac, siyempre puso na yan. Mula sa left area ng shoulder and arm niya, sabi
Mhm.
target po, blood stasis, heart blood stasis.
Wow. Or heart blood stagnation. Oh, yeah. Pareho lang yan. Congrats. Number 39.
Hindi makatulog. Tapos painful throat, nabibingi, feeling of the heat in the chest.
Mhm.
Yung keyword ko, abdominal pain tsaka nauuhaw, scatty dark, Tapos yung tongue niya, kung magbabasa ko, red body, pula, tapos yellow coating. Pag yellow coating, pinag-uusapan po, is talk about is, isip ko kung small intestine full heat in the small intestine.
Yes, or excess heat.
Yes.
Galing talaga. Wow. So, parang sa paano, Diyos ko siguro lalabanan mo pag baliw. You see, it makes a lot of difference, di ba? When you're good at, I know the process you've been through, like inaral mo talaga yung tongue, although medyo talagang, ano ka, very, ano ba to? Um, if you feel that you're right, talagang pinaglalaban mo. So let's go to number 14.
Sa akin po is lower abdomen and distension perhaps refer to the back, dislike of pressures on the abdomen. Ayaw niya
Mhm.
ma-pressure abdomen. Dok, ano to? White coat, pulmonary. Sa akin kasi dok ay small intestine chi pain, taka chi stagnation the small intestine,
Chi pain lang.
chi pain. O tama ang unang sagot ko.
Wow, grabe. Number 41, kakahiya. Okay, 41.
41 po, Doc, is severe abdominal pain. Ito na yung masakit ng tiyan niya. Dislike pressure abdominal station. Pagsusuka na ito, tapos may gas na tang, the white coat. Pag white coat, yung pinag-usap mo, tsaka wiry, may cold invasions, tapos intestinal obstructions or chest stagnations with cold or damp accumulation.
It's also chi stagnation.
Yes, chest stagnation.
Yeah. Abdominal distension. Yan ang keyword. No? Saka borborygmus, small intestine yan. Next.
Ah, Pag mental depression sa pag-irritability, ang keyword nito,
Mhm.
tapos may stiffness na sa chest, saying epigastric acid. Kasi pag sobrang galit tayo, Doc, nagkakaroon to ng relationships about the spleen and liver. Nagkakaroon ng liver stagnation, apektuhan pa yung spleen at stomach natin.
Okay, so your answer is?
Liver, liver stagnation affecting the spleen and stomach.
Wow, very good. Next.
Irritability, irritable na, sa gagalit, nabibingin na. Pag sobrang galit, sakit ng ulo, mapupula na yung parang high blood na siya,
Mm.
may constipation. It's all about liver fat rising or excess heat.
Yeah, liver fire. Mm. Next. Or liver fire blazing. Next.
Kapag babanting dugo na siya, epistaxis, sakit yung period niya, kaya to. Pag dark na pinag-uusapan, hindi ito kasi keyword ko purple body pulse and worry. Meron tong blood stasis with liver stagnation.
Liver blood stagnation or liver blood stasis. Okay?
Apa.
Dark menses. Ibig sabihin, you have to really ask. Like during menstruation, so may lumalabas na clotted menstrual blood. Next.
45. Okay. Basahin ko?
Yes.
Pale. Pale. Nahihilo. Wala nakasagatin. Naisip ko lang Vertigo. Blurry vision. Pag blurry vision, tsaka vertigo, tsaka yung pag yung paningin or eye problem, tapos nagnablas yung extremities kasi nandun yung mga tendons. Yung isip ko yung liver natin.
Mhm.
Sinus and tendons. Liver blood deficiency.
Of course. Next.
Okay. Try ko lang, Dok, wala na ako sagot kung ano ho.
Okay.
Masakit ang ulo. Tapos after head, nahihilo, may vertigo. Tapos, aking palatandaan dito
Mhm.
is red body and worry, liver young risings or liver, ano ba yun? Liver kidney? Yung
Liver
deficiency?
young rising. Of course, may kinalaman si kidney rito.
Apa.
Next.
Kaya kakayanan natin to. Kapag nahihilo, may vertigo na pinag-uusapan. Tapos,
Keyword is tremor.
tremor na nangangatog na
Hemiplegia.
wind stroke, liver wind.
Okay. Liver wind due to liver young rising. Diba?
Opo.
Next.
Mataas ang lagnat, kumbulsyon na siya.
Mm.
Ah, nagsayri na yung mata. Nag-ano na siya, kumbulsyon talaga. Nagpo-coma, nag-lockjaw, papatay na to. Siyempre po, sobrang init, tapos naapektan ang liver niya and heart niya.
Okay.
Internal with and
So what's your answer?
um, extreme heat.
Yeah, liver wind due to heat. So nagkaroon
Ah,
ng liver wind. Yung heat naging liver wind. Remember yung fire sa LA? Oo. Ang init-init, so nagkaroon ng liver wind.
opo.
Next. Numbness of extremities, tics. Another keyword.
Shaking, no?
Hmm.
Pag shaking, nagde-tremors ulit siya, ang pale deviated yung dila niya na na wala na sa lugar.
Hmm.
Blood deficiency with wind.
Okay, liver wind dahil sa blood deficiency. So if you have blood deficiency, pwede ka magkaroon ng ganito, liver wind.
Matakot.
Yeah. Kaya you have to be asleep between kaya iba kasi awake pa between 1 and 3 yung time ng liver. Before 1 dapat tulog ka na. Or 10 o'clock pa nga dapat. Next, the last one.
Okay. Bitter taste sa pinag-uusapan, no?
Mm.
Keyword ko, bitter taste. Liver and gallbladder dam heat pag bitter taste.
Wow. I cannot, ano, I can't say anything anymore. Ang galing mo talaga. Congratulations, Sir Mark.
Thank you
Although,
po, God.
yeah, wow, grabe. So kahit hindi mo, I knew you didn't have time because you have lots of patience, but at least, no, kahit hindi ka nag-prepare, you were able to answer. Congratulations. I'm so impressed. Not 100%. Thank you po, Sir Mark. Okay, so let's continue with, okay, from Bulacan, let's go to Manila, Sampaloc. Good afternoon, Ma'am Trix.
Good afternoon, Doc. Good
Yeah,
afternoon, everyone.
good afternoon. What is your diagnosis here?
Dizziness, gallbladder deficiency.
Yeah, very good. Actually, when you're like timid, you can't seem to decide, you can't seem to like paurong-sulong ka. This is usually medyo psychological, no? So it's gallbladder deficiency. Very good. Next.
Distension, hypochondria, liver invading the spleen.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, because nagkaroon ng abdominal distension. Yes, very good. Number 53.
It's distension and pain caused by hypochondrial hypertension, belt chain,
Mhm.
acid, vegetation. Liver invading stomach.
Very
This
good.
acid,
Next.
burning pain of hypochondriac and coastal region. Liver fire invading the lungs.
Yes.
Lung?
Yeah. So if you're galit na galit, you can have. Okay.
Parang may ganyan ako before. Joke lang.
Nakaka-relate.
Hindi yun.
Sorry. 55.
Baka si Sir Martin. There's
Parang iba yung
fevers
tama mo. Parang relate much talaga. Sorry.
before.
Before they start asking
Vagina,
questions, let's proceed.
vaginal discharge. There's damp heat in the liver and gallbladder.
Yes, very good. Scrotal area, swelling of the scrotum, vaginal itch. That's very liver. No? Bitter taste. Yeah, that's
There is gallbladder.
gallbladder heat or gallbladder fire. Next.
There's no appetite, stools, weak voice, spleen and lung qi
Very good.
deficiency.
Efficiency. Next.
Cell complexion lassitude, palpitations, poor memory, spleen and heart deficiency.
Yes, great. This is actually very common.
Correct.
Sometimes they would tell you, they have anxiety. Ganun. Next,
Parang
58.
ako at
Kaka-relate.
Parang lahat. Dizziness, but there's dizziness, fatigue, sallow face, loose stools, no appetite, blurry vision, spleen and liver deficiency.
Blood deficiency, right?
Uh,
Blurry vision.
blur-
Next.
which syndrome has palpitations and
Shortness
STD?
of breath.
Of breath. Um, heart chi deficiency.
Yeah, or heart chi shu. Next.
Shush. Lung chi is synonymous with lung yang.
Yes. Next.
Which
Dislike food.
syndrome? It's like so lung chi deficiency.
Oh, okay. Or yang deficient. Great. What is the treatment principle for those patients?
To tonify lung chi and warm the yang.
You can do moxibustion. Next.
Which syndrome has the key to
Symptom of desire to lie down.
heart
Kung gusto mo humiga.
spleen chi deficiency?
Okay, so the points, you can use spleen 6, REN 12, stomach 36, spleen 3, bladder 21, and then yung moxa, bladder 20. Para hindi ka na parating gustong humiga. Prolapse of stomach, uterus, anus, or bladder.
Spleen chi sinking.
Very good. Next. Purpura blood spots under the skin.
Spleen can control the blood.
Yes, or spleen chi deficiency. Next. What are other symptoms of spleen not controlling blood?
There's blood in the urine or excessive uterine bleeding, bruising.
Bruising, yeah, bruising.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sure maraming titingin ngayon sa kanilang mga... Next, which vague, uncomfortable feeling in the epigastrium?
Stomach chi deficiency.
So if it's epigastrium, it's almost always the stomach. Next, other symptoms of stomach chi deficiency.
Tired in the morning, weak limbs, loose stools, no taste or appetite.
Okay, imagine morning, tired ka na, di ba? Wakes early in the morning.
Gallbladder.
Yeah, gallbladder deficiency. Next, weak stream and dribbling after urination, prolapse of uterus in women.
Kidney chi deficiency.
Yes. Or kidney chi not firm. Huh? So we reinforce, stabilize the kidney chi. So here you could actually see that the kidney has control over urination. Next, SOB on exertion, difficulty inhaling, swelling of the face.
Kidney failing to receive chi.
Okay, so I'm sure you are very familiar, let's not mention names, about a world celebrity, di ba? I kept looking at his face. Ah, okay. Talagang may lung issue nga. No, actually, it's not the lung, it's the kidney, di ba?
Kaya,
Kaya,
namamaga yung face.
oh, bloated talaga, no? Mm-mm.
Oo.
Yeah. Next.
Softening of bones or poor develop. Kidney Jane Shu.
Very good. Or kidney essence shoe. Next. What is the pulse for essence shoe?
Floating, empty, or leathery.
Yes. Have you tried, nakatry na kayo ng leather pulse?
Hindi pa ako naka-encounter. Pero gusto ko nga kasi
It's
wala lang.
like,
Gusto ko yung feel parang ang weird.
yeah, it's like a drum skin. It's very common sa mga elderly. Next. Treatment for heart yang collapse.
Rescue yang, restore consciousness, and stop sweating.
Great. Kasi mauubos. Symptom for heart yang collapse.
Feeble breathing, gray-white complexion, mental cloudiness, severe coma.
Yeah. This is in addition to heart yang and heart chi deficiency. So this is basically parang ano na siya?
The last,
Yeah, the last.
last,
What are the symptoms for heart-yang deficiency?
um, hearty, feeling stuffy, discomfort in the heart region, feeling cold, bright, pale face, dark lips, cold hands or limbs, cyanosis of the lips.
Very good. What
That's
is the
it.
key symptom of spleen-yang deficiency?
Desire to lie down or curl up.
Yeah. While spleen-qi deficiency is you just lie down. Diba? Just like stomach qi deficiency. Next. Other symptoms of spleen-qi deficiency.
Weak limbs, dislike speaking.
Hmm.
Abdominal distension.
Yes. So if you have a patient who doesn't like to talk, automatic. Yeah. Next.
Spleen.
Kidney-yang deficiency, key symptom.
Sensation of cold in the back, knees, limbs, dizziness, tinnitus, infertility, edema.
So you would know how to treat infertility now. Huh?
Infertility.
What is the treatment principle?
Tonify and warm the kidneys, strengthen the mingmen.
Yes, very good. Kidney-yang deficiency, water overflowing, the key symptom.
Edema of the ankles and legs, fullness and distension of the abdomen.
Yes. So, okay. Marami kayong ganyan makikita sa mga nagda-dialysis. Next. Okay, if water is overflowing to the heart, what other symptoms will you add?
Oh, cold, mali yata yun.
Cold hands. Yeah, cold hands.
Cold hands, breathlessness,
And of course, you have
breath,
to have a heart symptom that will tell us it's really hard.
because of the palpitation.
Yes, palpitations and also breathlessness. No? That's actually, kidney and heart. Next, if water is overflowing to the lungs, what are the other, what symptoms will you add?
There's thin, watery, frothy sputum, cough, asthma, breathlessness.
Okay, so you have to also check the sputum of the patient, no? Frothy, thin, watery. What is the treatment for kidney-yang deficiency, water overflowing?
Tonify and warm the kidneys, transform the water,
Mhm.
warm and tonify the spleen yang, warm and tonify the heart, and warm and tonify the lungs.
So lahat na, heart, lungs, spleen, no? The tongue picture for kidney-yang deficiency, water overflowing.
There would be pale, wet, swollen, white coating.
Yes. Stomach chi deficiency and cold. What are the symptoms?
There's comfort or dull pain in the epigastrium, worse after bowel movements, better with food and pressure, like warm food and drinks, vomits clear fluid.
So usually the patient will just come to you, I have epigastric discomfort. So these are the questions you have to ask to actually confirm your diagnosis. What are the points for stomach chi deficiency?
Stomach 36, Ren 12, bladder 20, bladder 21, Ren 6, and moxa.
Yeah. If you have that moxa box, it's so effective talaga. Especially
Docking sa kahapon, yung isang tinreat
patient.
na patient. Yung sa may stomach area niya, talagang may bloat. Yung parang, ano to?
Blue is a sign of
Blister.
cold, diba?
May
Cold.
blister.
Mm.
May blister yung area sa ear.
May blister. Ay, sa
Oo.
ear, sa ear.
Yes, sa ear.
And then you
May
ask,
blister siya. Oo, tapos, sabi ni Sir Albert. Sabi ko, Sir Albert, may blister dun sa stomach ear. Tapos tinanong niya, sabi niya kung masakit daw ba yung tiyan or something. Medyo daw. Parang
wow,
nag-acid or
ang galing.
Pero grabe,
Galing.
as in parang Yung parang magpuputok na blister.
True.
Dun sa stomach area.
Yeah. You
Baka
should
may
do.
kulay stomach.
Or
Yeah.
hindi. Siguro.
Next. Cold invading the stomach, key symptoms.
There's sudden severe pain in the epigastrium or epigastric fullness. Pulse not superficial.
Deep.
Uh, the tongue is thick white coating.
Yeah.
The pulse will be deep and slow.
Very good.
Like
What are the points? Cold invading the stomach. Maraming ganon.
stomach 21, spleen 4, and 13, and stomach 34.
Great. Sudden cramping abdominal pain. Acute
Uh,
experience. Ano
cold,
nangyari?
cold invading the large intestine.
Yes. Tongue and pulse for cold invading the LI.
Um, Floating, acute excess, deep or and tight, thick white coating.
And it is not superficial because it's cold, di ba? Hmm. Next, loose stools like duck droppings, dull abdominal pain.
Uh,
Treatment is warming and tonifying LI and spleen. What is the diagnosis?
Large intestine is cold.
Okay. It's so obvious because the treatment we warm. So definitely cold. Next,
Cold.
points for LI cold.
Stomach 25, stomach 36, stomach 37, Ren 6, bladder 20, bladder 25, and moxa.
Yes, you moxa the 25 and the bladder 25 and bladder 20. Dull abdominal pain alleviated by pressure, abundant urination.
Small intestine deficiency and cold.
Yes, and also desire for hot drinks. Yeah. And gusto nila may pressure on the abdomen. Kaya ito yung gustong deep massage. Diarrhea. Next, what are the points for SI deficiency and cold?
Stomach 25, stomach 36, stomach 37, Ren 6, bladder 20, bladder 27.
Okay. Treatment, you expel the cold, warm the intestines, tonify the spleen yan. Hmm. So, this is not acute, no? Kaya nakafocus tayo sa ano. Kasi anything that's deficient is almost always chronic. Always remember that. Frequent pale, abundant urination, incontinence, and uresis with urethral discharge.
Bladder deficiency cold.
Yeah,
Tonify and warm the bladder and kidney.
very good.
Yeah.
Next, what are the points for bladder deficiency cold?
Bladder 23, bladder 28, do 4, Ren 3, Ren 6, do 20.
Actually, no, you should try like if you have a patient who's feeling cold, automatic talaga. You use do 4 at the back of the ear here.
Mm-hmm.
Nako, within seconds, ay, mainit-init na. Do 4, both ears. You try it. And then, so
Both.
if you have a male patient who has some issues with, um, you know, with erection, you have to try adding bladder 23 as well. But it's going to take time. No? Next.
Fullness,
Mhm.
cold, stagnation in the liver.
Very good. Cold stagnation in the liver. What are the points for stagnation of cold in the liver?
Ren 3, liver 5, liver 1, liver 3, and moxa.
Okay. You clear the liver, expel the cold. And finally, what is the key symptom or key symptoms for heart blood deficiency? Because these are the things that you will have to ask the patient, diba? There are three.
Uh, Vertigo, propensity for being
Ilan
startled.
pala? Propensity, madaling magulat. Sorry.
Magulat.
Yeah. And also insomnia, no? They have difficulty getting sleep. So if a patient comes to you with vertigo, automatically And then you have to also feel the pulse. Okay. Wow, congratulations, Ma'am Trix. As usual,
Thank,
never fail
thank
to
you though.
amaze us. Okay. And I'm very, very excited because all of you really did your assignment. And we hope that someday um, we'll have more participants, no? Okay, let me turn this off first.